This beautiful plant right here is Galium Aparine. Its common name is Cleavers, and it belongs to the Rubiaceae family. It's really flourishing in my garden right now at the beginning of spring. It's the plant that leaves those sticky bitty bits all over your animals and your clothes. A lot of people consider Cleavers to be a weed and pull it out, but did you know it's medicinal? Amongst its wide range of medicinal uses, Cleavers is a lymphatic tonic. That means that it can support your lymphatic system to function optimally. Our lymphatic system is really important for keeping us healthy. It's involved in immune responses. It's also involved with tissue drainage and the transport of fats around the body. I'm going to make a spring tonic with the Cleavers. So I've just picked a nice handful of Cleavers, given it a good wash, and I'm just popping it into a glass jar. I'm going to fill it up with cold water. I'm going to leave that to steep or infuse for about 24 hours. Once it's infused for a day, I just strain off the plant matter and then drink it like that. But you can add things to it if you like, ice or lemon. Enjoy!